Okay, so roughly, this is this. We have a parabola that's like here, and here's -1. So I want you to find the equation of tangent line that passes through that point right there. Okay. Now I don't need to go through the whole process of me just explaining to you what a derivative is. I already generated, summarized a nice formula for you. So we just start with this. I know that I need a slope and I need a point. Okay, point is easy. You just plug in -1 in here and you get 2 squared, so it's 4. That's my point. To get the slope is something that we have to get from the derivative. So it's f prime at -1. So let's follow the definition. This is the limit h approaches 0, f at -1 plus h minus f at -1 all over h. Okay, so all I'm doing there is using this formula here. Okay, which is the formula we derived earlier. That's what f prime at a is, right? So I just replace the a with -1. Okay. So now, so don't skip this step in the beginning, because it helps to write this down like 10 times, and then you're like, okay, you never forget what the definition of derivative is. Okay, so h approaches 0. Let's plug this into the actual equation. You get -1 plus h -1 squared minus -2 squared all over h. Okay, that's same thing as this is h minus 2, right? That's same thing as 2 minus h, right? So it's h minus 2 squared, which is the same thing as 2 minus h squared. And the minus 2 squared is the same thing as 2 squared. So do some simplification, right? When you see negatives, you should get rid of it. They increase our chance of making some silly mistake. Difference is squared now. 2 minus h plus 2. 2 minus h minus 2. So you get 4 minus h, and you get minus h all over h. So it's something like this. What we're doing here, we've done a lot of it in the limit section, right? That's what we've been doing. Carefully reduce. When you reduce, you get -1, not +1, and you get -4 for the slope. Okay, so now we have a slope. Now we have a slope and we have a point, -1 and 4. -1 and 4 is the point, and -4 is the slope. So here's the equation. Y minus 4 is equal to -4x plus 1.